Hi, I'm AJ Jones, Director of Sales for Heartland RVs, and we're here to introduce you our brand new 4214. A lot of our competitors have under the bedroom garage models that are very small in size, and really those garages aren't good for much more than bicycles or possibly a motorcycle. But we here at Heartland knew we needed to do something better. We actually came out with a real toy hauler. Introducing the all-new 4214 Cyclone, hidden garage. Our all-new patent-pending telescoping hidden garage technology, this actually is very unique in the fact that the whole bedroom floor actually raises up to the highest position, and when that does, it gives you enough height to fit all of your most popular side-by-sides in the back of a 14-foot garage. Now, with that being said, when you lower the bedroom down to the lowest position, not only do you have a bed tilt and multiple closets in the bedroom, but it also gives you an additional sleeping space off the back of the garage. So now you actually have a sleeping area separate for the kids while they're sleeping at night, giving you an actual true front living room bunkhouse unit. This all-new Cyclone is all about no compromises. What it does is it gives you a 14-foot garage, but also gives you the biggest living space found in a toy hauler, giving you the best of both worlds. I strongly suggest you come take a look at this all-new patent-pending technology for yourself by visiting your local dealer or visiting the Heartland website at www.heartlandrvs.com.